So this is my hostel. It's very nice. It is a common area. We have to share common area, washrooms, and other things. But it is very nice. There are so many people in the hostel. This Wise Owl Hostels Shibuya. So it is exactly on the main road. So that is why it is very expensive. So you can see it is like 5-6 floors. So there are also rooms available, but they are very expensive. So I have taken this sharing room, like sharing bed, you can say. So it is very nice. So this is the main road, you can see Shibuya main road. So that's why it is very costly, the hotel. So this is the main road in front of my hostel. So this is Tokyo, Japan. So today is 30th morning. So just what I am going to do is I have reserved a seat for Hayabusa bullet train Shinkansen. So I will go to Shin Amori. Amori is a city. So 9:36 is my train from Tokyo station. So first I have to go to Shibuya. From there I have to go to Tokyo station, and from there I have to take the train and go to Amori and come back in the afternoon. I have booked return from 3 o'clock from Amori to Tokyo from same Shinkansen. So this is bar area. So it will be very lively in the evening. So this is a reception area. So here we can sit, drink, eat, and we can also work on our laptops. So this is the reception. So this is the back side of my hostel. So lines to take Hayabusa, first bullet train journey in my life. So in Tokyo, Hayabusa is fastest. So that is covered in JR bus. Nozomi is also fast, but it's not covered. So this is Yamanote. So now the time is 8:59, almost like 9 o'clock. So my train is at 9:36, but 10-15 minutes early I try to reach platform because I am new to this Shinkansen trains. So even half minute also they will not stop. So half minute also there won't be any delay. So you can see Shinkansen. Shinkansen is a bullet. So JU, JT, JE. So I am going in this way now. Shinkansen, left side. So there are 3-4 lines. Left side I have to take. See, there are so many restaurants ready to eat meals like ekabens. So ekabens are ready to eat. They are very popular in Japan. So we can people will take this and before boarding this Shinkansen train. So first I have to check which platform I have to go. So either Tokaido Sanyo, that is goes to Osaka. So Tohoku, Akita, Hokkaido, Joetsu. So I will see which line I have to take first. So they are all. So it was a bit confusion because these lines were a bit inside. So these Hayabusa lines. So I asked one Japanese guy. He just came along with me and showed this entrance gates. So this entrance gates I just entered with using my ticket. So I asked that person with the mask. He said platform number 20. So now I will go to platform number 20 and wait. But there are still 30 minutes time. So in 30 minutes there will be several trains, Shinkansen bullet trains. So just I have to ignore all of them because they will be going different. Yeah. Now I can see Hayabusa. So 9:36 is the time. See, now it is clear. Platform number 20, 9:36 is the time. So my coach is 4. So coach number 9 you can see is a grand car, means that is first class. So it's clear, everything is now I got clarity. So before that there is a 9:20 train from platform number 20. So that is not my train. My train is Hayabusa 11. It is printed clearly on the ticket. So I will also show you my ticket. So which I booked yesterday. So this is my ticket. So you can see Hayabusa 11. So time is 9:36. Date March 30th. So it will reach Shin Amori at 12:34. My seat number is car is 3. Sorry, not 4. My car is 3, and seat is 4A. So this is the entire ticket. So this printed yesterday. So this is about I didn't have breakfast till now, so I'm feeling hungry. It's 9 o'clock. So I will take something in Beck's Coffee. I can see some donuts. So sandwiches anyhow you can't eat. So non-veg. So I will take I will take these donuts and I will proceed the toilets in Shinkansen line. So the women and men, they are very clean, very neat. I am not able to find veg food, so veg sandwich or anything, donuts. So I have taken this cafe latte. So I have put 200 yen. This is 180 yen. So I got 20 yen wapas exchange return. So automatic. These machines are everywhere in Japan. So it is easy to operate. We can use any cards, credit cards, debit card or money, anything. So see, they accept so many payment methods. So this is the waiting area for Shinkansen trains. So we can see if we have any time, because heaters are there, so we can sit for some time. So if I have 15-20 minutes, but I will go to platform and see other Shinkansen trains going on the different platforms. So this is the waiting area for Shinkansen trains. So we can see if we have any time, because heaters are there, so we can sit for some time. So if I have 15-20 minutes, but I will go to platform and see other Shinkansen trains going on the different platforms. So now I can see, you can see my train at 9:36. So train number 11, track 20. So now we will go to the track 20. So this is track 20. Either we can take a lift available here, or we can track 20 and track 21. So mine is track 20. So I will take the lift this time, and I will see how it. Now train is coming. So it is 9:20, but it is late. So it will reach on time. So you can see these people are cleaners. So they clean the train within short time and ready for the next trip. So this is 9:20 train. So it is coming on platform 20. So my train is next 9:36, Hayabusa 11. So we can see bullet train now in any minute. So these are other trains. See the blue train, that is also excellent, looking excellent. So see, this is a bullet train. So this is going to Kagayaki. Destination is Suruga. Suruga is the destination. See how they are bending and saluting to train driver. They just board the train and clean it within minutes, within short time. So this is 507, train number 507. So this is bullet train.
また一部列車速度を落として運転を行っておりました。この影響によりまして、東京駅到着発車の各新幹線、15分程度の遅れが発生しております。折り返しの輝き号につきましては、15分程度の遅れ見込まれております。
To clear the trash. So this lady ready with coffee, tea and this trolley in the train. So first we'll allow the passengers to get down, and then they enter the train, clean it, and then they give green signal only, and the next passengers will enter into the train. So they are checking if any passenger is there in the train. So if everyone is got off from the train, get off the train. If everyone is out, then only they will enter. Otherwise they will enter. See, they are entering now. So this guy is waiting, still waiting, because there are people in the coach car. See how he is looking. So if he will enter only when there is nobody in the car. So we can see the announcement that supervisor. So they have put board now. So they have put board. Please wait until cleaning is finished. So there won't be anything in the inside, but any rubbish or anything, so they will clean it and they will give a green signal for this train to depart. So this is another bullet train, Yamabiko. So this is train number 122. So if we come to Tokyo station, so entire day we can see all different Shinkansen trains. So Shinkansen is nothing but bullet trains. So Japan is the first country in the world which introduced bullet trains in the year 1964 when Tokyo Olympics were conducted. So after that, there are many countries now they are running bullet trains like France, TGV, Netherlands, Thalys, and Rossa, Italy. So they are all excellent. So even Korea, China is going very fast. So India, we are just getting one train maybe in 2 years from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. So we need to get more trains connecting to different cities. Then only infrastructure will improve. So this is another trolley. So she will enter into the train. So they have completed cleaning. So they are now coming out of cars, coaches. So now they will give green signal. See how they are bending in. So they give green signal to enter passengers. So then only passengers can enter. So I think supervisor will check everything inside and then they will say go. So this train is already delayed by 15 minutes, but I think definitely 100% it will reach on time to destination. So because they are Shinkansen, there is no delay in Shinkansen. Delay is only all trains 0.50 seconds, or sorry 0.530 minutes. That is half minute is the delay of Shinkansen. This is world's best, This is car number 7. You can see. I have to go to car number 3, but for mine is next train. So it is 9:36 train. So now see, he is saying we can enter the train. So we can now see passengers are going one by one. So they were already waiting in a queue. So they follow the same queue and they enter into the Shinkansen. So and occupy. This is a resort. So we have to reserve. Resort means we have to reserve the seats, before. So maybe one day before or a couple of hours before. I don't know. But yesterday I have reserved for my train. So this train is now will depart within minutes. So mine is next. So my car is 3. So I have to wait in car number 3. Yeah. So this is car number 4. So we can see clearly on the floor. So it is very clear. So this is my car number 3. But I have to wait in a queue because I came. This is the queue for car number 3. Anyhow, reserved seat, but we have to wait in queue. This is a discipline they follow in Japan. So we have to follow same discipline. So when we are in Rome, we should behave like Romans. Okay. So I am standing in the queue. So the train will come in 2 minutes, hopefully. 9:36 Hayabusa, you can see. First train 9:36, second train 9:52. So they are clear mentioned. This is car number 4, but I am standing for that car number 3. So you can see that is car number 3. So this is the train, just came. So I was buying some biscuits to eat and the train came, so I couldn't video record. So this again cleaners will clean for maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes and then we have to enter the train. So till now we have to wait here, wait in the queue. So now cleaning is finished. So I am waiting in the queue with other passengers. So I am now entering car 3. So I have met this lady and daughter. So they are from Alabama, Birmingham, Alabama. So she works in Alabama University. So I talked to her for 5 minutes. So I was just telling that I am going to US next. So she is visiting Japan for first time and found it very nice. I am going to enter into 3 and my seat is 4A. So it is easy to find. This is my first bullet train journey in my life. So this is 16, 17. So there are 17 seats in 2 configuration. Sorry, 3-2 configuration. So that means in each row there are 5 seats. So 17 into 5, so almost like 85 seats in one car in coach number 3 or car number 3. So you can see it is just looking like a flight, so not less than flight. So I have to wait. So this train is delayed by maybe 5 minutes or 7 minutes. Then they might cover because we have 3 hours time almost. So they will cover. So my seat is 4A. So this side. So window. So here. This is my seat. 4A. I am going to sit there. So just train started, departed from the platform, from station. So already speed. So it is picking up the speed. So 9:36, but it started at 9:50. So almost 14 minutes late. So but it will cover. You can see the Tokyo from bullet train. So this Tokyo suburbs. Even in Tokyo, train is going very fast. The bullet speed. So this train is going to Hokkaido. So we can stop. Next stop is Omiya, Sendai, and Amori. So I have to get down at Amori. I will get down at Amori. This just we have crossed first station. First stop is Omiya. So this is Omiya city. Next stop is I think Sendai. This is my car number 3. This is my car number 3. So ladies continue to toilet. So I just go to toilets and I will take a video. I have just checked in my speedometer app. So now the train is running at 311 kilometers per hour. So it is incredible. It is the fastest in Japan. So this is Hayabusa. So one of the fastest, maybe number 1. So 311 means we can reach Bangalore in just 2 hours from Hyderabad, or Mumbai 2 or 3 hours. So Pune 2 hours. So Mumbai to Delhi maybe like 4 hours. So we desperately need these trains in India, and so within no time, because government would have planned with Ahmedabad and Mumbai bullet trains, with other corridors like Bangalore to Hyderabad, Pune to Hyderabad, and Hyderabad to Chennai, Chennai to Bangalore, Mysore, so Mumbai to Delhi. So all these places government would have connected long back. So but it's very sad that we are very late in bullet trains. So now see where China is. China is going ahead compared to even Japan. So they have, I think, laid almost like 20,000 kilometers of bullet train corridors. So it is incredible growth. So we have to follow China, but we have to adapt Japanese technology because it is safe. It never had any accident, in a small accident in Shinkansen trains. So they are always punctual. So and Japanese people are always friendly with. So they always support India. So these are the toilets in Shinkansen. So this is ladies' toilet. So I can't enter inside. So it is not good. So this is the wash basin. So in ladies' toilet. So this is you can see gents' toilet. So gents' toilet. I will enter into gents' toilets. So this is also, I think, this is for babies changing diapers like that. So I am just pulling. So this is gents' toilet. So it is very nice, excellent, with wash basin. Very small, but it is very excellent. So this is in coach 2. So we don't have any toilets in coach 3 where I am sitting. So I came to coach 2. So this is the dustbin to throw trash. This is the makeup area. Wash our face. This guy is a ticket conductor in the train, which is a bullet train. So I have requested him that I will take his video. He accepted that. So thank you very much. Thank you. This is Sendai station. So I am not getting down because train may leave at any time. So it is very risky to getting down from a bullet train. So this is Sendai. So just train started, departed from the platform, from station. So already speed. So it is picking up the speed. So 9:36, but it started at 9:50. So almost 14 minutes late. So but it will cover. You can see the Tokyo from bullet train. So this Tokyo suburbs. Even in Tokyo, train is going very fast. The bullet speed. So this train is going to Hokkaido. So waiting stop. Next stop is Omiya, Sendai, and Amori. So I have to get down at Amori. I will get down at Amori. This just we have crossed first station. First stop is Omiya. Forgot to record. Downtown was very nice. Big buildings, 2 highways. So each highway having eight lanes, 4. So this is now we are entering into suburbs. So we can see the mountains with snow. So we are going towards north. So north is full of snow like Sapporo, Hokkaido. Hokkaido is a prefecture. Sapporo is the capital city. So in Sapporo they conduct snow festivals every year. So but it is very far from Tokyo. It is 8 hours by train. So there is no bullet train to Sapporo. They are doing it. So there is a bullet train till Hakadote. So there is a 50-kilometer undersea tunnel, so which connects this island to Hakadote. So from Hakadote again 4 hours is Sapporo. There is no bullet train, so we have to travel by normal train. So it will be very long. So that's why I am just going to Amori. I see if I can get to Hakadote. She is Noriko. She is working as a nurse in Tokyo. So she is going to visit her parents in Amori. So we are traveling together from Tokyo station. And we are both going to Shin Amori. So she is very nice. So we were, she can't speak English. So we were all using Google Translator, and we are just exchanging our ideas and our experience and everything. It is very fun and it is very time killing. So because this is a 3-hour journey. So thank you very much, Noriko. Thank you very much. So this is Moriyaka station. So here actually 2 trains will be decoupled. I don't know, it is very famous. I don't know whether this train will be decoupled. So one train will go to Hakadote and another train will go to Kakita. So if I'm not sure. So there are 2 bullet trains. They come together jointly from Tokyo, and they will be separated here. And same thing in return. So they will be again joined in Moriyoko. So this is famous for decoupling and coupling of 2 trains, bullet trains here. You can see so many videos. So this is Moriyaka station. So I have seen hundreds of videos about this station and decoupling and coupling of 2 bullet trains. So today I am not able to go it because I don't have enough time. So I have to enter into car. The train might leave any time. So it is very risky to stay outside for more than maybe 20-30 seconds. So see, now the train has started from Moriyoko. It just stopped for maybe 20 seconds. So you can see another Hayabusa trains. So it is called Tohoku line. So this Hayabusa will be green in color, green and purple patch, purple line in the middle. So in the white under see, this is see its engine. Yeah, excellent. So that is the reason it could go fast. It can go fast like 300 plus kilometers an hour. So they have come a long way. Like they have done R&D since 1964, and they have designed trains like this. So now they are working on trains which can travel 500 plus kilometers, but it is too risky for people to travel now because of prone to accidents on that speed. So this is Moriyaka town. So this is looking a bit small compared to Sendai. Sendai is big town with big buildings. So I think next stop will be Amori, if I am not wrong, or maybe second stop will be from here. So we can see churches, but I couldn't see any temples or masjids here, mosques here. But I could spot maybe 1 or 2 churches here and there. So this is the typical neighborhood of Japan, rural Japan. But this is town. Moriyaka is a town, so this is suburbs of town. So I will definitely go and visit villages and towns. So and I want to see how they live and the standard of living. So and expenses and everything. So if possible, I will talk to some local Japanese people using Google Translator. So they very well understand and they are very well cooperative and happy that I am talking to them. So that lady is going with a trash bin. So it's a big sack. So she collected all the trash in this coach. and she is going to another post. So this is Amori. So there is a hotel close to train station. Hotel My Stays, sorry. So this is a bus going somewhere, S51. So that is the route I have taken to go to Indian restaurant. So you can see big buildings. So other shops in Amori. So from here Tokyo is only 3 hours by Shinkansen bullet train. And this is a family mart in Amori. So I am buying some chocolates to eat in the train. So there are almonds and chocolates, Snickers I got it. So almonds I got it. So wherever you see, he is sweeping, that guy is sweeping, even though there is no trash. So that is the level of standard they maintain here. So this is a family mart shop. These shops are everywhere. So even close to my hotel there are 2 family mart shops. So just within 200 meters. So this is the till. I have finished my lunch. I have finished my coffee. So now at 2:45 I got train to go to Shin Amori. So this is Amori station. So I will take the train and I will reach Amori station, Shin Amori, within 5 minutes. So my next train to my Shinkansen train or bullet train to Tokyo is 3:17 p.m. from Shin Amori. So I reach around 6:15, 6:23 hours. So 11 kilometers in 3 hours. That is incredible. This is the ticket office in Amori station. So JR East Travel Service Center. This comes under JR East, Japan Railways East. So this is the OU line departure from this line. So and also Sugaru line, Aomori railway station departure. So all are displayed here. So these are the ticket vending machines, automatic vending machines. So we can take tickets. So these are the gates where we have to enter the train station. So I have to use my JR pass to enter it. So yeah, so this is the train. And now I have to board to go to Shin Amori. So this is JR train. So this will cover my pass. So anyhow, all the trains will cover my pass. So and some city buses. So this is Shin Amori, going to Shin Amori at 2:45 p.m. I reach after 5 minutes. So 2:50 p.m. My train is at 3:17 p.m. So I still have 20. These are the toilets in Shin Amori station. See how good, how neat they are, maintaining very, very neat. So everywhere in Shinkansen trains, so we can have toilets like this. So they're all Panasonic toilets, commodes. So they're washlets. So this is the toilet. Now I have to go to Shinkansen line. So I can wait here in the waiting room or just go inside. So I can see Hayabusa 317 Tokyo. So platform number 11. So there is Hayabusa number 60. So I can go to either platform or I can waiting room because it is very cold here. So this is north of Japan. So it is very cold like our Kashmir. So always north are cold, like in US, Michigan, Chicago, Detroit. So all those places like here, likewise here also it is very cold. So this is the JR Pass railway ticket counter. So these are the stations, these are the doors to enter. So platform 11 is Hayabusa 60 number. So it is 3:17 p.m. I wanted to reserve seats for tomorrow for Joetsu Shinkansen. So that is double deck Shinkansen. So but they said I can't reserve here. I have to go to Tokyo station. See how beautiful they are. This shop, this waiting room. So the train will come exactly 3:17. So now it is 3:05. I have 15 minutes. So I can just record some videos of bullet trains passing through this station. If there are any. So you can see Hayabusa 60, 3:17, 10 cars. Oh, he's already there. Oh, he's already there. Oh, it is there. So I can just get in. I can just get inside. So this is the train. So he's already there. Okay. See, my ticket is it says car 8, so I have to go bit further. So this is car 6, so car 8, and my seat number is I think 10B. It's not clear, so I have to put. So you can see there's a 60 means Hayabusa 60. 60 is a number, train number. So it starts at 3:17. So I think it might be starting from here. I'm not sure. So this is platform 11. So we have to check. Always we have to check. So this is 7. So I have to go a bit further. So another car. So 8. Yes, this is 8. So I can enter from anywhere, but it's always better to enter from this side. 8. So this is the 8. This is my train. So I think my seat is 410 or 18, but I'm not sure. I'll check. It is B. So my seat is 18B. So 18. So I am at 16. So 18. Oh, it doesn't look like a window, but no problem. So this is empty. Enter train is empty. I can sit at the window. If anyone comes, I can go to other. Train has started on time, 3:17 p.m. So I think it will reach Tokyo on time. So in the morning it started 15 minutes late. I think it reached 10 minutes late. So now it should reach on time. So hopefully it will reach around 6:17 p.m. in the evening. So it is around correct 3 hours, exactly 3 hours, and it is 711 kilometers to Tokyo from Amori. So it is like traveling from Chennai to Hyderabad in 3 hours. That is incredible, awesome experience. See the announcement, listen to the announcement. You can see snow mountains far from here.
本日も JR 東日本をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。この電車は東北新幹線はやぶさ東京行きです。
See the snow.
全車指定席で自由席はございません。次は
Already train is picking up speed just 1-2 minutes after departing from the station. So that is bullet train.
お客様にお願いいたします。
That's why they are all 100% punctual.
お客様のご迷惑となりませんよう
Unless there is an accident or any delay or any earthquake or anything like that, otherwise they are always on time. 99.9% they are on time. This is Morioka. So I have just missed in the morning. So now I can take video. So you can see the big highway in the center of the city. So 2 highways and there are several buildings. So it looks like a big city, Morioka. So towards Omori and Tokyo. So we can see hotels and car parkings, NPC 24 hours car parking, rent a car is there. So all nearby. This is Morioka station. So we can see another Hayabusa. So this station, this is Tohoku Shinkansen line. So the Hayabusa is fastest. So we can see our train is 4:17:60. So looks like we are on time. Yes, we are on time, not 5 minutes early. So to Cambridge, I will have dinner and then I will go to my hostel. So no need to come back again. So now cleaning is progress. This is the first class, grand class. So the first class also we can take ticket, but it is very expensive. JR pass first class for 1 week. So you can see now. So next train is at 6:44. The same train. I think it will go to Shin Amori. If I'm not wrong, it is in Japanese. So it will change now. So this is train number. Now it is going as train number 67. So it came as train number 60. So it is Morioka. Yeah, Morioka is in the middle, maybe like 2 hours from here. So So there is another train there, standing there. So I don't know, it is a different train. So yeah. So this bullet train is going to Nagano. So I don't know name of the route. So you can see it is a different color. Seats are inside, they are dark purple, dark red in color. So this is a different train in 625 number. So it is going to, you can see in board there is a platform. This is platform 22. So I can just, it is in Japanese, written in Japanese. So I have to wait till it turns into English. So it is still in Japanese. So yeah, it is going to Asama. See, it is very clear now. So you can see platform 1 and 2 is Chuo line, 3 and 6 are Kehin Tohoku line, 4 and 5 are Yamanote line because one goes to clockwise and one goes to anti-clockwise. It is a loop line. So subway Marunouchi line is M, subway Tozai line is T, Marunouchi central exit, Yasu central exit. So you can see B1 Tokaido Sanyo Shinkansen goes to Osaka, Hiroshima, and toilets. So Narita Airport Express in B1. So I can also take that and go to, it is 30th of June, Sunday night around, it is 6:45. See the rush. I think people are going to their workplaces because tomorrow from Monday again they have to work. So I hope they are going to respective workplaces. So that is the rush. That is the reason there is a heavy rush in Tokyo Station. So Tokyo Station is always busy because it connects to several Shinkansen lines, so which goes throughout the country. So to north, to south, to east, to west. So that is the reason it is always busy. So I can see Narita line. So I am going to Narita, towards Narita line. So I was just walking for more than 2-3 minutes in Tokyo Central Station. So still it may take another maybe 4-5 minutes to reach to Narita Express line platform. So which I can see from here, it towards left side. Yeah, I have to go the far end of this area, and I have to take left. So I will just carry on this. So Beck's coffee is available in every station. So they sell non-veg sandwiches, donuts, coffee. It is very congested. It is very small shop, but it is always busy. So these are the vending machines. So these are the lockers. So you can see left side. I have to go to Narita. So coin lockers are there. So still I have to walk, I have to take left. So there are so many people. I can't find any McDonald's, Burger King, KFC or any other American fast giant in stations in Japan, Tokyo or Japan stations. So I found them outside but not in the stations. So you can see I have to go left. So I am taking left to go to Narita Express train platform. So there is a lift and there is escalator and there is steps. So I will take escalator. So there is a queue for escalator. So people queue up everywhere. So that is in their blood actually. So discipline, queuing up, Still I'm walking. So now I can see I almost reached. So Narita Airport, Narita Express line and Yokosuka Sobu line, rapid. So I have to take only this Narita. So there is escalator for passenger people because they go to airport, either they come to airport or go to airport or coming from airport. So it will be very convenient for them if there is an escalator. So now I am going to catch Narita Express train from downstairs. B1. B1 is a platform where it will come. Finally, I reached this platform. So platform 4, 3 and 4 are for Narta Express. So I am going now. But I have to go towards Shibuya. So if I go towards airport, so that will be on my opposite side. So I have to catch the train which is coming from the airport and which goes to Shibuya. So Shibuya is the next stop after Tokyo. I wanted to take Narita Express to go to Shibuya, but there were no trains going to Shibuya. 2 trains were there and they were going to airport. So it is opposite line. So I have decided to take Yamanote line. That is best because in every 2-3 minutes the train will come. So it will reach my destination in 30 minutes, like Shibuya. So this is opposite route. So I have to take opposite. So platform 3. So platform 4 is opposite. It is going to Shinjuku. So I have to go take 3. So it will go to Shibuya. So I was going in a different direction. So I have to take this platform 5 train. So if you can see, Shinjuku is the first one, and then from Tokyo. So I have to go to Shibuya. Shibuya, as you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stop. So 11 minutes, 11 into 2, 22 minutes. So it will take 22 minutes to reach Shibuya. So I was going opposite direction. So I just went to the platform and I realized that it was a wrong platform. So then I came to this platform.